Hey there, Herbal community. I am super excited to share with you something we've been working on for the last 4 or 5 months. It's an online herb conference. This is the Canadian Herb Conference, and I'm putting it together alongside my partners that work with the Vancouver Island Herb Conference and the Kootenay Herb Conference here in BC. We do in-person conferences every year where we bring many different herbalists together and a whole community to learn about plant medicine. This year, we've decided to go online and bring you an even bigger format, sharing about herbalism across the country. So we have over 30 different teachers from across Canada of all different backgrounds, different ethnicities, different teaching styles, and we're doing well over 40 workshops and 6 pretty potent panels. One on cannabis, one on COVID, one on medicinal mushrooms, one on the CCHA and the Canadian Herbal Associations, and a couple of other ones on sustainability and ethics, and all kinds of courses like this. So we're really excited to share this with you. You can find out more at herbconference.com, but essentially, this is going to be the biggest online convergence of Canadian herbalists that has ever happened. So this is a pretty awesome event starting on November 5th through the 8th. So please register ahead of time. I don't ask much of my community to support in different ways, but this is something that I think will really support you in your health journey and in your learning about plant medicine. There's a whole lot of online forums in there. We've got chat rooms. We've got all kinds of ways to make this conference feel like you're in person enjoying it with the group. So check out more at herbconference.com, and I hope to see you there on the 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th of November. See you soon, my friends. Ciao for now.